Guys, today meron tayong kakaibang sound tripping na gagawin dito sa ating channel. And this is probably the first time mag-review ako ng speaker na ganun kalakas. And I'm really excited to show you this one, the Huawei Sound Joy. Balita ko sobrang lakas itong sound na ito. Pwede pang party. Tara, check natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So hawak na natin si Huawei Sound Joy, and it's being co-engineered by Debialit. Debialit? Siguro pag Debialit, Pilipino. Debialit, Bisaya. Ang tamang basa dito is Duvialet. So, see. Pag open natin ng box, meron sasalubong sa atin na isang maliit na box. And sa loob niya, meron siyang mga manuals, Type-C cable, and walang charging brick, KKB. And of course, yung speaker itself. Ang ganda ng color black, no? There's two colors to this speaker. One is spruce green, and the second one is this one, obsidian black. Ang ganda ng black. Really nice. And I love the design of this one. Para lang baso na nabibili ko sa Starbucks. And ang design nito's outer layer is made with some special design na woven fabric. IP67 ang kanyang rating, which means pwede mabasa at pwedeng maalikabukan. Dustproof and waterproof, ika nga. And itong speaker na to is being tuned by Duvialet with 79 decibels ang lakas ng kanyang speaker, meaning sobrang lakas to. Imagine you can fill a room with sounds. Later, papakita ko siya na yung actual. Talagang pinatugtog ko to to the maximum. Grabe. Ang sarap sa tenga, lalo na nag-arakrakan kayo sa party. Grabe, I love the sound coming out from this speaker. Ang liit niya, pero sobrang lakas. And to think na itong speaker may kunting kabigatan, it has 8,800 mAh of battery inside this one. 26 hours ang kaya ng playback. And kaya na mag-fast charge. 40 watts ang kanyang fast charging capability. In 10 minutes sa fast charge mo, pwede ka na mag-play ng 1 hour of music. Which is definitely okay na okay siya, di ba? 10 minutes? Pwede. At meron siyang ibang mga smart interaction na pwede mangyari dito. Shake stereo link up, meaning pwede mag-connect dalawang Huawei Sound Joy together. I-shake nyo lang. Then meron siyang one-touch transfer which enables you to transfer yung song directly from your phone to your speaker. May automatic discovery, Huawei watch control, and voice assistant pod. And itong speaker lets you enjoy the sound you like wherever you go. Very easy ang link up na itong phone na ito. All you need to do is find AI Live sa app gallery ni Huawei or sa Petal Search. Na makita mo, ang bilis mag-link lang nito. All you need to do is just click connect. Magko-connect sila. Na makita mo, may ilaw siya dito sa ibabaw. And of course, habang ginagalaw ko ang aking volume, makita mo, pag kinalahati ko, kalahati din ang ilaw. Pag binuo ko, buo din ang ilaw. This is volume 100 and this is volume 50. Astig, di ba? Sobrang ganda. So, pwede mo ring i-configure ang light effect nito na sasabay sa music na tinutugtog mo. Hey, parents, this shit high, boy.
Tripping on spine. Living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm on hype days. I want more friends, is a problem. I been living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins, yeah, I'm riding with a game. Yeah, I hit a hot lake, I'm the top shit. What
I like about this one is ang lakas ng bass niya. Sobrang sarap makinig sa music na to. And for one instance, dinala ko to sa Starbucks coffee dito sa Calamba. And the room size, the area is roughly around 200 square meters. So nilagay ko tong speaker sa isang dulo. Okay? So naglakad ako. So binila ko roughly 20 meters away from this speaker. And of course, sinet ko sa maximum. So 100% volume. And pinatugtog ko. Mga barista nagkulat. Ang lakas ng sounds, grabe. Kaya nang tapatan ang mga, halos siguro may 8 silang speaker sa loob ng store. kayang tapatan nito in just one speaker nitong Huawei Soundjoy, kayang-kaya na tapatan. Imagine, pag mag sound tripping kayo sa isang party, this is definitely something that you should bring. And kung may friends ka na meron nito, Soundjoy, just shake mo lang para mag-connect, para maging stereo. Mas malakas pa siya. Imagine, isa pa lang ang monster na kanang sound. What more, dalawa pa nito. I can't wait to try na pagsamahin ko dalawang speaker nito, no? I'm sure rakrakan to the max talaga if you're listening to music, to your favorite rap music. I wish na pwede ko mag-play ng mga music na favorite ko dito, but I'm still limited to playing non-copyrighted music dito sa channel because of monetization problem. And makita natin, no, dito yung ring, ang ganda. I love the way pag may RGB dito. And especially pag nagtutugtog ng bass, makita mo yung speaker na to, nagbabibrate talaga siya. Ang ganda tingnan. Some other people, gusto nila itest talaga mo ng tubig para makita mo gumagalaw ng tubig. But hindi mo na kailangan tingnan yon. For sure, ang lakas ng bass nito. And I really love sound tripping this one. Watching my favorite movies, listening to Spotify. Connect mo lang dito, i-play mo lang, grabe. All night long, rakrakan, 26 hours guys. Sobrang sulit ito. And this Huawei Soundjoy can be bought sa official store ni Huawei and of course sa kanilang official shop sa Lazada and sa Shopee. I'll be posting everything on the link below. Check nyo lang. And guys, kasama ko ito matulog. Really sarap nito. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para nyo naman miss ang mga future videos here sa aking channel. And of course, I am Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?